Hi, Steve, WichitaFix.com. It's been a while since I've done a video on replacing windows, that is, putting in replacement windows. So I thought I'd do one real quick, give you a little idea of what you're doing when you want to replace your windows. I'll turn the camera around and here we go. First thing you need to do is remove the stops on both sides. That's pretty self-explanatory. They just need to be removed. Then crack your window a little bit and and kind of flatten these metal deals out just a little bit. And then when you go to pull your window out, it pulls out a little bit easier. So you want to pull it out like that. And then you got springs on each side. That one came off. That one came off. And you're already halfway there. Now what we're going to do is loosen up the aluminum seal. And we do this because it lets the top part of the window come out a little bit easier. Be careful on the metal because it's sharp and it'll cut your arm off. See, now this is coming out. Just drop the window down a little bit more. And there's springs on this window also. Pop them springs off. And windows out. Then you need to remove this stop at the top up here. Generally all it's holding in is paint. And that's the stop. Now we're going to prep the window to put in the new one. Okay, so this one's screwed in. And then what I like to do is just double check, make sure it slides up and down easily. Make sure the lock's locked. And you don't want to draw these screws in too tight. It'll distort the window frame. And you'll know it because the window won't slide up and down easily. So we're going to go caulk the outside, caulk the inside, put on some stops, and we'll be done. So this is our window. I'm going to put the stops in like this. I've already got the top one in. Put this in like this. We'll caulk this. We'll caulk this. We'll repaint this whole thing. And then the window's installed. This is how I solved that little gap issue here. Just run a small piece in there, caulk it, paint it. You'll never even know there was a gap there. Well, that's how I install a replacement window. The last scene was kind of at wrong angle, kind of got sideways a little bit, but I couldn't figure out how to turn it, so I just left it in there. It just shows how to put the stops in when you're done. Go to YouTube. There's a bunch of videos at Wichita Fix It on YouTube and Facebook, Wichita Fix It. Go to WichitaFixIt.com. I appreciate all the views. Like and share it. Please subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you.